Do you know how an electric motor works? An electric motor converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. An electric motor consists of a rectangular coil of insulated copper wire. The coil is placed between the two poles of a magnetic field. The ends of the coil are connected to the two halves of a split ring. The inner sides of these halves are insulated and attached to an axle. The external conducting edges touch two conducting stationary brushes. Current in the coil enters from the source battery through conducting brush and flows back to the battery through the other brush. When we apply Fleming's left-hand rule to find the direction of the force on a current-carrying conductor in a magnetic field, we find that the force acting on arm AB pushes it downwards, while the force acting on arm CD pushes it upwards. Thus, the coil mounted free to turn about an axis rotates anti-clockwise. At half rotation, Q makes contact with the brush X and P with brush Y. Therefore, the current in the coil gets reversed and flows along the path DCBA. The reversal of current also reverses the direction of the force acting on the two arms AB and CD. Thus, the arm AB of the coil that was earlier pushed down is now pushed up, and the arm CD, previously pushed up, is now pushed down. Therefore, the coil and the axle rotate half a turn more in the same direction. The reversing of the current is repeated at each half rotation, giving rise to a continuous rotation of the coil and the axle.